You sit to do one important task, but suddenly you check your phone. As 1 minute break, then one video becomes 10, and the whole day disappears. Sound familiar? That's procrastination. And it's not because you're lazy. Your brain always chooses what feels easy right now instead of what helps your future. Hard work feels painful in the beginning. Scrolling feels comfortable. So your mind says, start later. Tomorrow is better. You still have time. But successful people understand one thing. Waiting destroys dreams quietly. The longer you delay, the harder the task feels. And the scary part? Days become weeks, weeks become years. That's how goals die. Here are 5 real solutions. 1. Start small. Don't try to finish everything. Just begin for 2 minutes. 2. Remove distractions. Keep your phone away. A distracted mind can't stay focused. 3. Use time blocks. Work for 25 minutes and rest for 5 minutes. Small, focused sessions increase productivity. 4. Stop waiting for motivation. Motivation comes after action. Discipline starts before feelings. 5. Focus on progress, not perfection. Done is better than perfect. Small daily progress changes your life. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for daily push